The face gauge chart is a straightforward way to communicate statuses of a goal. It's one of many gauges that Domo has to communicate this kind of information. However, the face gauge is one of the simplest of these types of cards. For example, the radial gauge type has many range values that appear within one chart, but face gauge charts only have access to 3 ranges: a frowning red face for a bad value, a neutral orange face for a medium value, and a smiling green face for a good value. Only one of these ranges will appear on the card at a time, allowing users to see the status of their goals at a glance. To create a face gauge chart, click on the Add to Domo button and select Card, then Visualization, and finally choose a dataset. First, give the card a name. In this example, the East Region sales goal is being tracked for the year. Then under Chart Types, select Gauges and choose Face. Next, drag in the dimensions for gauge values and the optional group by. Selecting the column, pick an aggregation type. In this example, the aggregation type is Sum. Like all charts in Domo, face gauges can use filtered data. Here, the gauge is being filtered to only show data from the East region. Finally, under Chart Properties, set the 3 ranges by selecting each color individually and inputting the minimum and maximum values. In this case, the revenue goal is at least $2,000. So the green range is set to a minimum value of $2,000 and a maximum value of $3,000. The yellow range is set between $1,000 and $2,000, and the red range is set between 0 and $1,000. After selecting the ranges, save and close Analyzer. Save time and easily track statuses towards goals using the face gauge chart.